Hey guys, welcome to Holistic Mojo. I'm Sahara Lee, and today we're making a super easy, all-natural version of one of my absolute favorite summertime cocktails, the Amaretto Sour. Okay, so here's what we're gonna need for today's Amaretto Sour. You're gonna need Amaretto, my favorite is De Serono, sparkling water, half a lemon, a glass with ice, a mixing glass, and some maple syrup. So you're gonna start by taking your lemon and squeezing it, either hand squeezing it or using a hand press. You wanna make sure you get all of the lemon juice out of your lemon. And if you are using a concentrate, it's about 50 milliliters of lemon juice. To that, we're going to add a little bit of maple syrup. Just about a teaspoon. And then mix it. That is going to get poured into a glass with ice, followed by a shot and a half of Amaretto. And then finished off with some sparkling water. Give it a little stir. And voila!